Hi guys, another day, another eating.
Ang pangit ng English mo.
Ba't ka nga muna ba?
Oy,
Wala ako, hindi ako nag-dinner kahapon.
there's so many rice here.
So many years at the coconut tree.
This is my whole egg. Look, I'm eating egg right now. Okay guys, let's go just eat egg.
Gigisingin ko na si mama. Oh, sobrang dami.
Oh, nagbibideo ako. Look guys, fried rice. Want some? Good. Dagi toasties.
Bakit nakababa yung medal ko? Sino nang alam ng medal ko, Miss?
Hoy, huwag yan sa'yo, hindi yan sa'yo.
Alin?
Yan sa'yo, Dodo. May sibuyas. Ito ko nga, Migs.
Wait guys.
Ayun.
Ganun ko lang dito naman po. Yan.
Wait guys. Okay guys, I'm changing citrus. Apple.
Location.
Okay.
Position.
Let's eat now. My dad's cooking. Very good.
My dad's food.
Dami tubig.
Oh, wait.
Dad! Say hi.
Hello, live. I'm vlog.
I'm not living. I'm streaming. Okay guys, I almost finished my meal.
Yung medal ko, Miggy, hindi laro. Ano?
Huwag yung si mami mo.
Oo. Kahit mga 1 or 12 na ba? 12:30. 2 pa naman deadline nun eh.
Ang alin?
Okay guys, let me
Commercial
finish
ulit.
my food.
Alin?
Commercial.
Hi guys. I finished my rice. Bye guys.